Hey guys, welcome back to another quick inform video. In today's video, we're talking about Verizon Prepaid and how they have changed their plans. I have some notes right here on my little notepad that I've noticed a difference. So let's go ahead and do this with some research. I was able to get this information. But yeah, let's get into it, guys. This is Verizon Prepaid, so no contracts at all. So let's get into it. Sorry for the hair, just woke up. So doing this video before I have to go to work. So since our best unlimited plans now starting at $50 a month, includes $10 a month discount with auto pay and get 6 months of Disney Plus on us. So remember, that's only 6 months. So let's get into it. I'll tell you the differences with my little notes. So remember, these notes that I have are before you do any auto pay. So of course, it's going to be $10 more if you don't do the auto pay. But here on Verizon's website for the prepaid, it's showing you with the auto pay. So it's trying to show you the lower prices. So say it says save $10 a month when you enroll in auto pay. And I'll show you what, or show you and tell you what the differences are between the old plan and now the new plan. So they did do some changes to the plan, so they didn't just change the pricing. It says save $10 a month when you enroll in auto pay, or save over time with our loyalty discount program. So there are two things. If you want to get instant discount, it does take 2 months to kick in, guys. You do have to do the auto pay. Now remember, there's a loyalty discount where it says loyalty discount of $5 a month applies after 3 months of service. Additional 5-month discount applies after 9 months of service, and a total of $10 a month on plans 45 or higher. So you can still get the $10 off discount without doing the auto pay, but it does take almost a year to achieve. So that's, wow, I'd rather just do the auto pay and get it out of the way. But it is nice for people that don't want to set up auto pay. After a year, you can still get that $10 off discount. But me personally, I would just go ahead and do the auto pay since the bill has to get paid either way. So let's look at the first tier, which is the $35 a month, or 45, should I say. You get 15 gigs of data, mobile hotspot for plan allowance. So you do get to use the hotspot, but you do share that 15 gigs. So here in the notes, previously this plan right here, remember before the auto pay, so we can look right here. It was $50 a month before any discounts. So they did drop it down $5 to 45, and then auto pay does bring it down to 35. So another cool thing is you do get now you do get roaming in Mexico and Canada with data speeds reduced to 2G for the remainder of the day once you reach 500 megabytes or half a gig. Video does stream at 480p, guys. So that is something that you have to take a look. So here it is. There's more details on this one. So like I said, loyalty discount. The data experience, you do get video streaming. So if you're watching, let's say YouTube or Crunchyroll or whatever, it does tend to max out at 480p. Some people can squeeze 720, but mainly you're going to be the best video streaming at 480p. Mobile hotspot, of course, you do share your gig allowance. It says high speeds. So once you use your high speed of 15 gigs, it does get reduced to 2G speeds for the remainder of the month. So you do also get unlimited talk and text, of course, international texting from the US to over 200 countries and territories, Mexico and Canada, calling and texting. Call filter, spam blocker, digital security. So pretty cool. So it does require a credit or debit card for the loyalty or the auto pay discount, should I say. So the second one's the unlimited one. That's what everybody wants. This one used to start at 65, but they dropped it down $5 to 60. And then with the auto pay or loyalty discount, it does bring it down to $50 a month. You get 5 gigs of mobile hotspot because it's not unlimited. You do just get 5 gigs of mobile hotspot. So before the limited plan did not offer unlimited, or did not offer hotspot at all. So 5 gigs of hotspot is available at full speeds before throttling you down to 600 kilobits per second for the rest of the billing cycle. Previously, this plan did not come with hotspot. So, like I said, look, $60 a month, loyalty discounts, or remember, it's either or. So, 4G LTE, same thing. Your data video quality is still at 480p. So, with this one too, your data may be temporarily slowed when there is a lot of congestion on the traffic, so you do not have priority data. And like I said, when you go to a congested area, your speeds do slow down. So mobile hotspot, of course, you get 5 gigs of mobile hotspot, unlimited talking text, international texting as well. So same things the other plan did have. So it was pretty cool. Digital security, device types. So let's go into the next one, which is the Unlimited Plus. So this one, I do have some notes here on this one. This one was $75 a month previously. Now, of course, it's $70, so they dropped it down $5, and then AutoPay brings it down to $60, which is a good solid spot for a lot of people. So you get 5G ultra wideband. This one you did not. You get 50 gigs of premium network access. So you get priority data, guys. You got 50 gigs of priority data. You get 25 gigs of premium mobile hotspot and global choice. A global choice at no additional cost for one country. So here on the notes, like I said, you do get premium data. So even if you go to a concert and there's thousands of people, if you haven't reached more than 50 gigs of data, your speeds will not slow down. So previously, this plan, your speeds would be temporarily slowed down in times of congestion. So now they got rid of that because they give you 50 gigs, but after the 50 gigs, it basically comes down back to the $50 plan, where speeds will get reduced, temporary when the network is congested. Like I said, 25 gigs of premium hotspot. Previously, this plan only gave you 10 gigs of hotspot data with the plan before the speeds were reduced. So let's get into here and see what this has to offer. So $70. So this one does give you total access. So you get 5G. It also gives you ultra wideband, guys. So this plan gives you access to the 5G ultra wideband, which Verizon's is not that large at all, or even would consider, if it was like, oh, should I get this plan? Just get the 5G ultra wideband. For me, it's not worth it because it's not even available in my area, and it's very spotty. But you can stream in crystal clear 4K high definition with that 5G ultra wideband. Now, 5G nationwide is the one that is more available, the one that I get and everybody gets. You do get that 5G speeds. They're not as fast as 5G ultra wideband, but it is pretty fast, a lot faster than 4G. So 50 gigs of premium network access, then unlimited data. So like I said, you get 50 gigs of premium data. After that, it will go back to basically the $50 plan. Get 50 gigs of 5G nationwide 4G LTE premium data per month. You'll also get DVD quality up to 40p video streaming on 5G nationwide 4G LTE. So no HD streaming. That's the only thing that kind of pushes me away from getting a prepaid Verizon, because I want premium HD video streaming. I watch a lot of anime or Netflix or Hulu. Yes, if you do have a Wi-Fi connection, you can get HD streaming because it's not using the cell phone. But if I'm out on the road or in the car and I want to watch something, I want to watch it in full-blown HD. So that's one thing that kind of pushes me away from Verizon Prepaid. But remember, it is all of these plans so far are 40p video streaming. Now, once you reach your 50 gigs, it's just in times of congestion, your smartphone or mobile hotspot may be temporarily slowed down once you exceed the 50 gigs of premium data. You get 25 gigs of premium hotspot, so it's really nice, Then unlimited low speed. So once you reach your 25 gigs of mobile hotspot, once you exceeded the speeds will, it says you can still use hotspot at lower speeds of 300 megabits per second when on the ultra wideband, 600 kilobits on the regular 5G or 4G LTE speed. So unless you're on the ultra wideband, your speeds will be basically useless. You do get 4G LTE, unlimited talking text, international texting, global choice. So it says include one global choice country per month at no additional cost. That's a $10 value. You'll receive discount rates at calling 220 plus countries. So it still gives you unlimited talk to and text to Mexico and Canada, but if you want to call some other place, you get discounts. And then the rest is digital security and stuff. But overall, those are the major changes. Remember, it does require auto pay and paperless billing. You do get Disney Plus for 6 months. After that, it's $8 a month. I have it, but I don't watch too much Disney stuff. More, like I said, more into anime and stuff. So, but let me know in the comments below what you think. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Dragonic Warfare signing off. If you want to support the channel, check out Honey. Honey is a free web browser extension. Find your popular discounts, the best discounts on any shopping website that you go onto. So check it out in the description below. Supports the channel, supports me. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Is this a big change? Is that 480p video streaming DVD quality pushing you off? Like I said, me personally, if I'm paying for data, I want at least 1080p or 720 video streaming. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Dragonic Warfare sign off. More videos your way.